Hello and welcome to this guitar video lesson. My name is Jake Reichbart, and in today's lesson it will be my pleasure to share with you my solo guitar arrangement for Feel Like Making Love. As it needs to, as I play it, adding the rhythmic feel. And this is important to mention because you can certainly play the tune with a different rhythmic feel. D'Angelo has a completely different rhythmic sensibility. You can slow it down. You can play it without the backbeat. You can do all kinds of stuff rhythmically, and I can just point those out while also showing what I did. And lastly, like I said, improvisation. And this part obviously draws from jazz because a lot of the chord progressions that we have here, well, really the entire chord improvisation, borrows heavily from jazz music in terms of the quality of the chords. You have the sus 11, which implies a kind of a Mixolydian feel. And to which I add a lot of, chromaticism and jazz qualities. Also suggest that sharp 11 sound. That note right there. And that's a 2-5-1. I play the guitar, but once we master how to playing it, it's very impressive, even though the music itself behind it is not that deep. It's just two parts playing at the same time, each with its rhythm. So let's take this a little bit further. And here, in the song, there is deliberately a syncopated. So and again, syncopated. So you can hear how the bass is steady on the beat, while the melody has lots of syncopations. And now I'm doing. So it's a 2-5-1 as opposed to just being on the 5 and then to the 1. If I'm here, it's identical to what I suggested earlier with the B flat, except that you play the F in the bass. So you're playing a bar, and then E flat, A flat, and then the E flat, G. And if I have time, I'll do something funky with the bass or not. And then back to this position, and then back to this position. And then back to this position. Arpeggiation. Now we have a cool sound, which is this A7 sharp 11. And I again alluded to this earlier. It's really just a tritone substitution for an E flat 7. Why E flat 7? Because very common in jazz and popular music to temporarily change the 1 chord into a 7th chord, or rather the total center, as a way to go to the 4 chord, which is very temporarily our 1 chord.